So hello and welcome back to the amazing session people, where I will be letting you know how can you score 40 out of 40 in physical education. Yes, with no doubt each and every paper went approximately very well, right? And even many people are going on texting me that sir, we have done wonderful, great. Whatever the question you have told, exercise question, all those question was there in case of bio paper, the same chemistry paper, the same history, civics, geography and many more, right? And today is the session of physical education, and I'm really sorry for the computer students. If any computer people is watching me over here, do not go anywhere. I will be coming 50 MCQs marathon in Unacademy, and I will be taking the 50 marathon session in Unacademy, 50 marathon MCQs in Unacademy. People, physical education aspirant, please do share the same inform the same that SRM Sir will be taking, all is yours will be taking 50 MCQs marathon in the Unacademy session. Leaderboard का बात पता ही है. Those who will be doing top, the leaderboard, their name will be coming in the leaderboard. Not only that, but also I will be also doing the MCQ marathon in case of physical education, cricket, badminton, football, volleyball, whatever your criteria it is. And also people, you have to comment right here that in that with the help of cricket what you are preparing for. Many students are there different category. Cricket they are keeping in the mandatory. Apart from cricket, some students are following cricket football, some students are following cricket badminton, some students are following cricket volleyball. So people, you have to comment what you people are following. Yes people, I will be saying you the tips and tricks how can you score 40 out of 40 in physical education. If you are following Oswald publication book, then the exercise question is there. Again, my top level priority, do complete all kind of exercise question. Number 2, if you are following Saraswati book, again I wanted to say people, please do follow the Saraswati book. Yes, little bit less question is there, but they are the important question. Direct question में गिरता है, right? And also I would like to say little bit bio or chemistry से little bit different tricks I want to apply over here. That is PYQs I want to say, right people? Where you people will be getting PYQs. Sir, we don't have PYQs. If you don't have PYQs, why you are getting bother people? Comment there what are the chapters you are following, what are the topics you are following, whether football, badminton, volleyball, etc. I know very well cricket you are keeping in the top priority. Cricket is following, each and everyone is following cricket children. Clear path? Alright. If you are following cricket people, that means cricket MCQs, cricket PYQs, cricket explanation के साथ हम आएंगे 18 तारीख को 18th में in Unacademy 2022 with the explanation of cricket, with the explanation, whatever the explanation, each and everything I will be doing. I will be doing MCQ का मैराथन थोड़ा अलग होने वाला है. मैं आऊंगा PYQs के साथ. I will be coming with the lecture. I will be also teaching how to write in exam. People basically there are having very good students like boys. उनका थोड़ा क्रिकेट में आइडिया रहता है, but girls are not aware of cricket. If yes, you have to hit the like button. You have to again comment, yes sir, I am poor in cricket. If you are poor in cricket, then why you are getting bothered? I am there. I will be helping you out in the examination people. All right. 18 May 2022 timing I want to fix. That is none other than 9 a.m. sharp. Unacademy people. 9 a.m. 18 May 2022 9 a.m. Do not forget the date. 18 May 9 a.m. Unacademy में I will be coming with the PYQs. I will be coming with this or the important questions, and I will be explaining you what are those, what are these. Even many people that doesn't know sir overthrow का मतलब क्या होता है, overthrow का steps क्या लिखना है, sir how can we write bias if 3 to 4 instance it is coming, everything I will be letting you know in case of Unacademy session. Do not forget 18 May 9 a.m. sharp people, that is tomorrow 9 a.m. clear children? And you may apply MALLIC Malik 10. You may apply this code to unlock the session if you are new to this platform, and if you are not new to the platform people, you can share the same MALLIC Malik 10 to your brother and sister to get flat 10 to 20% flat off people. Clear? You can share the juniors. अगर वो सब्सक्रिप्शन लेगा कहीं 5000 का 10% मिला के 500 रुपए 4500 they will be paying out. Clear people? Let's start. You have to even comment whether you are following football, volleyball or badminton. You have to follow that. You have to comment me. अगर comment नहीं करोगे मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? And also another I will be saying, if your students cannot even join the session of Unacademy, there also remedy I have come. If a boy or a girl cannot join the session Unacademy, उसके लिए YouTube में वीडियो आएगा. कब आएगा? 10 से 11 बजे तक वीडियो लॉन्च हो जाएगा. कल के टुमारो 18 में 10 से 11 बजे तक वीडियो लॉन्च आ जाएगा. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन of cricket. Again I will be coming important question PYQs. These are the question generally PYQs you can say. These are the question important. I thought मैं PYQs अभी तक गया नहीं हूँ. I did not invest my time in the PYQs. I will be going tonight, invest the PYQs. I will do the PPT and I will be coming in the Unacademy session, people. Clear everyone? And the most important again I will be saying, people please if possible try to join 9 am tomorrow 18 May 2022 9 am. People please join the Unacademy session. It's going to be important for you because whatever I will be teaching there, I will be teaching, I will be explaining, I will be saying the important PYQs which will be coming guarantee for the board examination. Clear? And also you have to comment football, volleyball, badminton क्या क्या कर रहे हैं मुझे comment करना. उसी हिसाब से if possible I can take the session in Unacademy. If not I will be coming videos, YouTube videos में आऊँगा and I will be saying the important question. Clear everyone? Let us start the please for the tonight. People go with this type of question and tomorrow I will be saying what are the question you need to we need to learn today in case of cricket. Explain मतलब define मतलब definition. Overthrow, wide, duck, golden duck. Golden duck का मतलब एक बॉल में जो आउट हो जाता है उसे बोलता है golden duck. When a batsman gets out in the very first ball of a game is known as golden duck. डक का मतलब क्या होता है? डक का मतलब ये होता है 4-5 बॉल खेल लिया एक बंदा. ए बॉय सपोज आई एम ए बैट्समैन विराट कोहली. आई एम नॉट अ विराट कोहली but let us think विराट कोहली name is Chiku and my nickname is also Chiku. For an example I am playing a cricket and I have faced 5 balls and in which I have scored 0 runs. उसको बोलते हैं डक. मतलब एक से अधिक बॉल खेलना मगर स्कोर करते हैं 0, उसको बोलते हैं डक. क्लियर बात? यॉर्कर का बात बताऊंगा जो जूते के पास गिरता है यॉर्कर. क्लियर? सेंचुरी ए स्टैंस. व्हाट इज ए स्टैंस? इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर द बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. मैडन ओवर अपील गोल्डन डक LBW लेग बिफोर विकेट. यस पीपल ICC BCCI फुल फॉर्म लर्न करो, याद करो, अभी लिखकर कमेंट करके बताओ सर ICC फुल फॉर्म इज दिस, BCCI full form is this. I won't say, you have to comment right there because it's going to come in the examination. Duties of umpire. My people, if you are following football, duties of referee, you have to learn it out. How many duties? At least 4 duties. क्योंकि एग्जाम में तुम्हें 3 पूछा जाएगा, तुम 4 लर्न करके जाना होगा. You have to write 4 to 5 duties of the referee. In case of what I am talking about, in case of football, in case of volleyball, duties of referee, in case of badminton, duties of referee, in case of cricket, duties of leg umpire, duties of man umpire, duties of third umpire. You have to understand, you have to learn it. Duties of referee and umpire, whether you are following football, volleyball, badminton, cricket, you have to learn the duties. I guarantee 3 मार्क तुम्हारे पॉकेट के अंदर, आज का 50 में से 3 मार्क पॉकेट के अंदर. in case of physical education. Rules of test match. What is the rules of टेस्ट मैच? 5 दिन के लिए टेस्ट मैच चलता है. कब चलता है, क्यों चलता है? यू पीपल आई विल बी सेइंग टुमारो. क्लियर? रेफरी स्पेलिंग इज समहाउ इज रॉन्ग. ऑलराइट. डिक्लेरेशन. व्हाट डू मीन बाय डिक्लेरेशन? डिक्लेरेशन जनरली फर्स्ट इनिंग्स और सेकंड इनिंग्स में होता है इन केस ऑफ टेस्ट मैच. रिटायर्ड हार्ट. व्हाट डू मीन बाय रिटायर्ड हार्ट? अगर किसको बॉल लग जाता है बैटिंग करते करते, रिटायर्ड हार्ट इज व्हेन दे आर रिटायर्ड हार्ट आल्सो इज देयर इन केस ऑफ फील्डर एंड ऑल. आई विल बी सेइंग टुमारो इन द अनअकैडमी सेशन पीपल. क्लियर? स्ट्रेट ड्राइव. व्हाट डू मीन बाय स्ट्रेट ड्राइव? पूरा आराम से स्ट्रेट ड्राइव करता है. आई विल बी सेइंग टुमारो. 3 इंस्टेंस टू कॉल नो बॉल. हाउ कैन यू से नो बॉल? यू हैव टू राइट द 3 इंस्टेंस. इंस्टेंस मतलब क्या होता है? 3. मतलब 3 टॉपिक यू हैव टू राइट. हाउ कैन आई से इट्स अ नो बॉल? इवन हाउ कैन आई से इट्स अ बाय लेग बाइस. ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिंग द फील्ड. हाउ कैन आई ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट द फील्ड? मैन किडिंग. इवन मेनी मोर इज देयर. आई विल बी कमिंग इन द PYQ सेशन टुमारो 18 May 2022 9 am Unacademy platform people. Clear? And people please join Unacademy tomorrow 9 am sharp. And you can apply my code MALLICK Malik 10 to unlock the session. Even you can get the flat 10% off if you will be sharing the same to the brothers and sisters. Even though people. Clear? These are the important of the cricket. Many importance are there. इतना थोड़ी ना है. तुम बोलोगे सर इतना ही है और नहीं है, और भी है. I will be coming the PYQs in the next session people. Clear? I really pray Almighty that everyone should get a very good result. Even people regarding football, volleyball, badminton, comment below. I should also know so that I will be coming videos regarding physical education. Clear? And regarding computer, बच्चों को ढिंडोरा पिटाओ कि MCQ मैराथन होने वाला, कब होगा बताऊंगा बाद में. Clear? All right. So coming stronger in the next session. Till then, please do all kind of cricket. After completing cricket, leave on me. I will be taking the session tomorrow. I will make you understand. Again, I will be coming in the video solution. Clear, children? Let me signing off the today. Coming stronger in the next session. Thank you very much. Cheers.